Cross-disciplinary, is the analysis of one discipline within the context of another. But it requires an in-depth knowledge of that, the simultaneously of the second discipline, and that is music. I can write, I can compose, I can transpose, I can transcribe, I can write tabs, notation, I can read and write sheet music, and I have a fundamental understanding of how music works. From the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales, pentatonic scales, major, minor, diminished or augmented, triads, intervals. I have a sense of how chords are constructed, how the intervals are set apart, major, first to the fifth, minor, diminished, augmented. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically explain physics, I may explain music using physics. Cross-disciplinary entails what is sound? Sound is a collision of air molecules. It has amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, intensity. Intensity, for example, is the distance in which sound travels. Why sound is a collision of air molecules? How sound disperses. Why do we hear octaves? Why does an A chord consist of 440 hertz? And why when you double it, we hear an octave? What aspect of human biology and our explain physics